Yun! Ito nga pala yung ginawa natin kay Sabian Home Service Tattoo from Texas. Pero sa 3-lane 2 natin ginawa to. So, respeto sa dating artist ni Sabian. So, ang gusto niya kasi is a Philippine team. May Philippine Jeep, Foundry, and then Matados Tanay. So, nilagyan na lang natin ng sunray sa taas. Medyo in progress yan, bitin ng konti. Tapos ito, alibata. Symbol niyan is, meaning is family. Yan. So, hindi natapos lahat yan, pati sa kabila, by December, babalik sila save yan. So, sa lahat ng gusto magpatato, Mewo always on the go, 24/7, who's next, and thank you Lord. Bago namin ginawa yan, is inedit ko muna through iPad, down to avail a free layout and schedule. Revisable naman yan until I meet your expectation. So, ayan, si RJ, kasama rin natin. So, si Stephen ang nag-refer sa atin dyan. Tapos yung girlfriend pala ni Stephen is meron akong in-progress tattoo. So, ayan si Madam. Salamat! And...
Okay, pare. Isa tayo sa Matados Tanay gift. Pero mayroon pa tayo dito. How's your tattoo, my friend?
Very good.
Good?
Very good. Very satisfying.
Cover up. Hindi alam tayong cover up. Thank you kay Stephen. Kay... What's your name?
Amelia po.
Amelia. Okay, pare. Here's my friend Savian from Texas.
Yes.
We did Matados Tanay with a Foundry cover up and then a jeepney. How's your tattoo, my friend?
Very good. No pain.
No pain.
Very good.
Only this is bata. On December, on the other hand, huh?
Yeah.
Alright.
Gonna get.
So thank you for trusting me. It's a cover up and home service dito sa 3-lane 2 Imus Cavite. Ito, tulog na yung taga-nasa si Stephen. So our shop open 24/7. My friend, thank you.
Thank you po.
Good deal.
Boss!
Pare, si
Savion.
Savian,
Amelia.
Amelia, sa si Stephen, sa kay Stephen. Ito, tinatawa siya ni RJ. Tapos tinatawa ko pala to. Pakita mo nga, tapos roses siya. Tapusin natin yan, dagdagan natin. Pwede ba siya? Dagdagan?
Oh.
Alright. So, si Sabian and from Texas. Thank you,
Yes.
Brother, maraming salamat. Amelia. Brother,
Thank you po.
thank you.